In just few minutes, I built this ultra premium supercars marketplace web app. Look at this, the dark theme, the luxury vibe, the cinematic feel. This literally looks good. Then I created this dating app UI, clean, modern and smooth. And it doesn't stop there. I also built a full UI for streetwear e-commerce website. Minimal, bold and brand level design. And finally, this food delivery app design. You can see this. Look at the visuals and the layout. It feels premium. Now, here is the crazy part. I didn't design it and I didn't write a single line of code. All of this was made using one tool, Google Stitch. But most people use AI completely wrong. They start with coding, throw random prompts and end up with average results. But there is a better way. Instead of coding first, you design first. And that one shift changes everything. So in this video, I will show you how you can use Stitch actually and how it will work. I will build a complete website UI from scratch, customize it and explore its features, and then turn it into a real working website using Google AI Studio and even publish it. And trust me, the final result will surprise you. So, if you find this useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, let me show you how Google Stitch actually works. So, for this demo, I am going to build a premium interior design company website. I have already prepared a detailed prompt for this website using ChatGPT. You can also do the same, and I will share that prompt in my Telegram group. Now I am just going to Google and I will type Google Stitch, and this is the official website, stitch.withgoogle.com. Once you open it, this will be the interface. You can see this. Here in the text box, I will simply paste my prompt just like this way. Now, since I want to create a website, I will select the web option. And here you can choose different models like Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro, Redesign and more. But for best result, I will go with Gemini Pro. It may take little more time, but the output will be much better. So I will select it. You can also choose the design system manually, but I will leave it as it is and let it decide automatically. Now I will click on generate and you can see this. Stitch will start building the design for us. Now it automatically selected a soft pastel color palette which perfectly fits the interior design theme. You can also see the typography, button style and all the core design elements already defined here. You can change it also. Now as you can see, the design is complete. We already have multiple pages ready. The home page, portfolio page, project, about and contact page. All generated automatically. It looks super clean and premium. You can see this. The home page starts with a strong hero section, a large interior image with elegant typography that instantly gives a luxury feel. As we scroll, we have a well-structured sections like philosophy, services and featured project, all laid out with a proper spacing and minimum design. The portfolio pages showcase different interior in a grid style, which looks very aesthetic and visually pleasing. And if you notice, everything follows a consistent design system, soft pastel colors, clean fonts, and subtle elements, which makes the entire website feel cohesive and high-end. Overall, this doesn't look like an AI generated design. It actually feels like a real premium brand website. Now let's customize this design, because this is where Stitch becomes really powerful. If you go to the modify section here, you can edit anything directly like this way. You can simply click on any part of the design and update it using AI, or even use annotation tool to select a specific area and give instruction like this way. So instead of changing the whole page, you can make very targeted edits exactly where you want. You can also change the entire design system like colors, typography, spacing, and everything can be updated from here. And if you go to the generate section, you can regenerate any page and even create variations. For example, if I want to regenerate the contact page, I can just select it and click on regenerate, and Stitch will instantly create a completely new version of that page for me. So you are not stuck with one design. You can keep improving and exploring different styles until it looks perfect for you. You can also preview this design on different devices. For example, I can switch to mobile view, tablet view, even laptop view, everything. And as you can see, it looks amazing on all the screen sizes. Now I think I'm satisfied with this design. So let's take this to the next step and turn it into a real, fully working website. Now from here we have the export option. You can select any screen or just export everything. And Stitch gives multiple options. You can send it to Google AI Studio to build a real website, export to Figma, download it as a zip, or even copy the code. So you have full flexibility depending on what you want to do next. Now I will choose AI Studio and simply click on Build with AI Studio. This will send our design and start converting into a real website. Now as you can see, the design has been sent to Google AI Studio. All the HTML files and assets are automatically attached in the prompt. Now I just need to click on the Build button and AI Studio will start converting this into a real website. It may take few minutes, so I will just skipping the waiting part. And as you go, our website is now ready. You can see this. Now it's done and it has created almost exactly same website that we designed in Stitch. All the pages are here, the home page, portfolio, about, contact, everything is working perfectly, I think. Little mismatches here, I think, but it is okay. This is actually amazing because with this workflow, you can directly turn your design into a real website without writing any code. Now let's take it one step further and publish this website and make it live. Now from the top right corner, click on publish, then select GitHub, then give your repository a name and description. So I am just reading the name and description of my repository. After that, just creating the repo. Then I'm just clicking on tag and commit all changes. And now all my website files are pushed to GitHub. It will be stored here. Next, in separate tab, just open Netlify and log in with your credentials. And here I will just click on add new project. Then I will select import from GitHub. Here I will just choose my repository, the studio one, and here it is. I will choose this. And from bottom option, I will just deploy it. You can see this. Now it will take some seconds while Netlify will deploy my website. And here it is. This is the link and now my website is live on internet. You can see this. It is loading perfectly. And just like that way, I went from a simple prompt to a fully designed and live website. So that's all for this video. Google Stitch is honestly an amazing tool. With this workflow, you can design high quality projects fast and then turn them into real working websites or apps. Now imagine you can build a website like this for your clients or even turn this into your own AI powered business. And this clearly shows how fast AI is evolving. Google is pushing things to the next level. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it with someone who actually needs this. Also check out my new channel, Pro AI Income. I have mentioned link in the description. Also, all the prompts I have added in my Telegram group. Let me know your thoughts in comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.